Ever wondered how elephants listen? Well, it's not just with their ears. Before I reveal, subscribe and like this video for more wild facts. Elephants can actually hear with their feet. They detect low-frequency vibrations traveling through the ground, like distant thunder or other elephants' footsteps, using sensitive pads in their feet. These vibrations travel through their bones to their inner ears, allowing them to hear sounds miles away, even when they're silent to us. And that's just one of the many surprising ways elephants communicate. Want to hear the next one?